Welcome to Teach Your Children ABC. Let's dive in and learn the alphabet from A to Z with our amazing sea animal friends. At the end of this video, I will show you the top 4 smartest sea animals living under the sea. So stick around and let's start. Let's start with the letter A. It's an angelfish. Angelfish live in warm ocean waters near coral reefs. They eat tiny plants and small underwater bugs. And for the letter B, it's the blue whale. Blue whales swim in the big deep oceans all over the world. They eat tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. And for the letter C, it's the clownfish. Clownfish live in cozy sea anemones in warm ocean waters. They eat small bits of plants and tiny sea creatures. And for the letter D, the dolphin. Dolphins live in oceans and sometimes near the shore. They eat fish and sometimes squids. And for the letter E, it's an eel. Eels like to hide in the sand or rocks in the ocean. They eat fish, crabs, and little sea creatures. And for the letter F, it's the flounder. Flounders live on the sandy bottom of the ocean. They eat small fish and crabs. And for the letter G, it's the great white shark. Great white sharks swim in oceans all around the world. They eat seals, fish, and other sea animals. And for the letter H, it's the hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks live in warm ocean waters. They eat fish, octopus, and sometimes crabs. And for the letter I, it's the Irukandji jellyfish. Irukandji jellyfish live in warm waters near Australia. They eat tiny fish and sea bugs. And for the letter J, it's the jellyfish. Jellyfish float in oceans all over the world. They eat small fish and tiny sea creatures. And for the letter K, it's the killer whale orca. Killer whales swim in oceans everywhere, even in cold places. They eat fish, seals, and sometimes other whales. And for the letter L, it's the lobster. Lobsters live on the ocean floor, hiding in rocks and sand. They eat fish or plants and other small sea animals. And for the letter M, it's the manta ray. Manta rays glide through warm ocean waters near coral reefs. They eat tiny sea bugs called plankton. And for the letter N, it's the nautilus. Nautiluses live deep in the ocean, hiding in their spiral shells. They eat small fish and tiny sea animals. And for the letter O, it's an octopus. Octopuses live in the ocean, hiding in rocks and coral. They eat crabs, shrimp, and small fish. And for the letter P, it's the pufferfish. Pufferfish live in warm ocean waters, especially near coral reefs. They eat small clams and sea snails. And for the letter Q, it's the queen conch. Queen conchs live in warm, shallow ocean waters. They eat plants that grow under the sea. And for the letter R, it's the remora. Remoras stick to bigger fish, like sharks, in warm ocean waters. They eat leftovers from their host and tiny sea bugs. And for the letter S, it's the seahorse. Seahorses live in warm waters near seagrass and coral. They eat tiny shrimp and plankton. And for the letter T, it's the tiger shark. Tiger sharks swim in warm oceans, often near the shore. They eat fish, turtles, and sometimes even birds. And for the letter U, it's the urchin. Sea urchins live on the rocky bottom of the ocean. They eat sea plants like algae. And for the letter V, it's vermilion rockfish. Vermilion rockfish lives in rocky areas under the ocean, mostly near the Pacific coast. And for the letter W, it's the walrus. Walruses live in cold places, resting on ice and swimming in the sea. They eat clams and other shellfish from the ocean floor. And for the letter X, it's Zebrafish. Zebrafish or swordfish live in the deep ocean, swimming fast. They eat fish and squid. And for the letter Y, it's the yellowfin tuna. Yellowfin tuna swim in warm ocean waters. They eat fish and squid. And for the letter Z, it's the zebrafish. Zebrafish live in warm rivers and streams, but some live in the sea. They eat tiny bugs and plants in the water. And here are 4 smartest sea animals. Are you ready to know why they are the highest IQ sea animals? Our first high IQ sea animals is the dolphins. Dolphins are highly intelligent, known for their complex communication, social behaviors, and ability to learn tricks. They recognize themselves in mirrors, use tools, and display problem-solving skills. The second high IQ sea animals is the octopus. Octopuses are remarkable for their problem-solving abilities, escape artistry, and tool use. They can open jars, solve puzzles, and show curiosity and adaptability in new environments. And the third high IQ sea animals is the cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are masters of camouflage and communication. They demonstrate advanced problem-solving abilities, can navigate mazes, and remember past experiences to make decisions. For our fourth high IQ sea animals is the manta ray. Manta rays exhibit signs of high intelligence, such as problem-solving and long-term memory. They engage in complex social interactions and have been observed recognizing themselves in mirrors, suggesting self-awareness. Thank you for watching Teach Your Children ABC. Please click the subscribe button for more exciting videos. Happy learning!